welcome back to my YouTube channel Bio Ishika. This is Ishika and today I would be discussing about GATB. So without wasting any further time, let's dig into the topic. So GATB, which is the Graduate Aptitude Test for Biotechnology, it is conducted by the RCB, that is the Regional Center for Biotechnology, which is also a very uh, good college if you want to pursue MSc or MTech in biotech. So the purpose is to provide MSc MTech programs in biotechnology and related fields. So the mode is CBT, duration is 3 hours, and language is English as usual. So if we talk about the strength of GATB, we have 1100 plus DBT supported seats and it provides high quality education, DBT fellowships. If we talk about this point, I would not like to mention anything about this because the DBT fellowship depends upon programs to programs and various courses, and it also depends on colleges as well. So it may vary. So the college you want to prefer, you can check their page out and see all the things related to DBT fellowships. So on an average, we see 30 to 35,000 candidates appear each year for GATB, and the entry into top tier colleges, we expect JNU, BHU, ICT, etc. So again, the fellowship, I would not like to discuss anything about this. So the GATB exam is not that competitive as compared to NEET or JEE, but it is still competitive if you want to get into like proper top tier colleges, that is BHU, or if you want to get into JNU. So you need to be in 5 to 10% people or the candidates who scores like really good, and you should be having a rank under 300 to get into these colleges mostly. So moving on, if we see the eligibility criteria, of course we need a bachelor degree in any of these subjects, biotech, life science, biology, agriculture, microbiology, biochem, genetics, zoology, botany, anything like listed here. If you are having a bachelor degree, then you are eligible to apply for this entrance exam. So I would also like to mention that final year students, the students who are in their final year, can also apply for GATB, and if they secure a good rank and if they get placed or manage to grab a seat, then they can obviously take admission. But if you are in your second year, third year, and if you are applying for this exam and you manage to grab a seat, then also you are not eligible to take admission because it's a criteria that you should be having a bachelor degree. So, if we talk about the general OBC, minimum 60% marks are required, that is 6 CGPA. And if we talk about the other categories, minimum 55% marks and 5.5 CGPA we could expect. And there is no age limit here in this exam. This is the most important part. So briefly, I would like to describe that the paper is divided into two sections, that is section A and section B. Both the section contains equal number of questions, that is 60-60 each. So section A contains only 1 mark question and section B contains only 3 marks question, which makes up to 60 into 1, that is 60 marks. Uh, that is 60 marks section A, and 16 to 3, that is 180, that is section B. So total we are up to 240. So negative marking we also expect in section A, that is minus 0.25, and section B we have minus 1. So yes, both the section contains negative marking, so you have to be very careful in order to attempt the right question. So section A mostly contains the general aptitude, comprehension, quantitative aptitude, general biotechnology. Section B contains subject specific questions related to your subject, that is your biotech, life science, chemistry, etc. So I hope it's clear basically. Basically, if I were to explain the paper in brief, so I would like to say that the paper is divided into two parts, section A and section B. Both the section contains 60 questions each. Section A contains 60 questions, which is of 1 mark, and section B contains 60 questions, which is of 3 marks. So uh, which comes as 60 into 1, 60 marks, and 60 into 3, 180 marks. So total it's 240 marks. Moving on. So if we talk about the cutoff trends, if we talk about the cutoff of general category, in specific. So I have included 3 years, that is 2024, 2023, and 2022. So the cutoffs here we can see is 120 to 130, the range of marks basically. And here we have 115 to 125 and 110 to 120 in 2022. So I hope you guys have a really basic idea of what are the cutoffs exactly. So if you want to um, clear the cutoff, then you can target these marks. But if you want to score a good rank, then you should be targeting obviously 40, which is the total marks in the entrance exam. So moving on to the top colleges that we can expect through GATB. So first of all, we have JNU, which offers MSc Biotech, a closing rank of 150. Then we have ICT, Institute of Chemical Technology, which offers MTech Bioprocess Tech, Food Biotech, 150 to 300 rank. Then we have BHU, which offers MSc Biotech, that is 150 to 250 rank. Then we have University of Hyderabad, which offers MSc Biotechnology, 250 to 400 rank. Then we have Anna University that offers MTech Biotechnology, 300 to 500 rank. Then we have Pondicherry, which offers MSc Biotechnology, 400 to 550. Then we have Tezpur University, Assam, which offers MSc Molecular Biology and Biotechnology, which expect we can expect a rank between 500 to 650. Then we have Goa University, MSc Biotechnology, 550 to 700 rank. Then we have GGU, that is which offers MSc Biotechnology, 650 to 850 rank. Then we have Madurai Kamaraj University, which offers MSc Biotechnology, 700 to 900 rank. So I hope you have an idea that what rank you need to be scoring in order to get into these colleges. Also, I would like to mention RCB, that is the Regional Center for Biotechnology, which is a very good college. You guys can check it out later on. We have important topics of section A. We have general science, logical reasoning, quantitative aptitude. We have comprehension and analytical ability, basic mathematics, general awareness, biotech related. So these are the topics you should be covering in order to clear the cutoff. But if you want to score a good rank, then you shouldn't be leaving anything that has been provided you in your syllabus. So moving on to the important topics we can expect in section B. We have, first of all, biochemistry. We have enzymes, metabolism, biomolecules. We have molecular biology, replication, transcription, translation. We have genetics, Mendelian genetics, genetic engineering. We have cell biology, organelles, cell cycle, microscopy. We have microbiology, bacteria, viruses, techniques. We have immunology, antigens, antibody, immune response. And here comes the plant and animal biotechnology. You shouldn't be leaving anything from this because in the PYQ we have seen everything coming up in bits and options as well. So, for an overall idea, you should also not skip PYQs. So then we have the techniques, that is PCR, bloating, chromatography, spectroscopy. Also, I would like to mention your electrophoresis. So yeah, please don't skip these topics. All the best. Thanks for watching. Do subscribe for more bio related content.